Let's focus on gold, which is set for its worst run of monthly losses in nearly 13 years. You are seeing a huge aversion really towards gold, and in fact yuan-denominated gold trading in Hong Kong is down nearly 80% since the start of this calendar year. We've got Manisha Gupta, a commodities editor, joining us from the newsroom. Manisha, almost all commodity prices have declined this month, but if you could walk us through why the sell-off is happening, and more importantly, why we're seeing this whole aversion towards gold suddenly.
Well, most of the high-yielding commodities currencies have seen a decline in the month of May. Most of the sectors have put in negative returns for this current month. And especially in case of gold prices, it actually has been tracking euro quite closely, which has declined nearly 2% for this month. If you look at the dollar index, that's gone up by more than 6% for the month of May. That's the reason you have seen much of that pressure coming in for gold as well. The losses in other sectors were also, leveled by selling into the gold, and that's the reason you have seen very sharp declines coming in. It's a fourth straight month of decline coming in for the gold prices, down nearly 6% for the month of May. And the worst 4 months that we have seen in the last 13 years is how gold prices have been. Not just gold, if you look at the silver as well, that has declined nearly 6% for this month. Third monthly decline coming in for that one as well. And it's the worst performance coming in from silver since 2008 as well. Not just precious metals, if you look at the base metal prices, those have also declined. Copper is down nearly 8%. That's the weakest in 20 weeks that you have seen performance coming in from copper. And look at the crude prices, down 16.5% for the month of May, down nearly at 7-month lows is how that one also is trading. Ditto has been the case with the agro commodities as well. Anything that you pick up, whether it's corn or soybean, Robusta coffee, all of that is between 8 to 12% down for the month of May. Rupee itself has declined nearly 7% in the month of May. So as I said, most of the high-yielding commodities currencies have seen a bad time. The European concerns, the safe haven flowing into dollar and Japanese yen is where you have seen most of that money go into.